Welcome to Like Health. Red lentils may be small, but their health benefits are truly massive. They're one of the most powerful plant-based foods you can eat every day. Rich in protein, fiber, and essential nutrients, red lentils support your body in many ways. They help improve digestion, stabilize blood sugar, and even protect your heart. And the best part? They're quick to cook, budget-friendly, and incredibly versatile. In this video, discover the many benefits of lentils that will make you never want to skip them again. Benefit number 1. Powerful source of plant-based protein. Lentils are one of the best meat alternatives for vegetarians and vegans. Just 1 cup of cooked lentils contains around 18 grams of protein. This protein helps build muscles, repair tissues, and keep you full longer. It's especially great for those trying to reduce meat intake without losing nutrition. Including lentils in your meals regularly can help meet your daily protein needs. It's a simple, healthy way to fuel your body naturally. Benefit number 2. Excellent for heart health. Lentils are rich in fiber, potassium, and folate, nutrients that protect your heart. They help reduce blood pressure and improve cholesterol levels over time. Their antioxidants also fight inflammation, a major risk factor for heart disease. Eating lentils regularly may lower your chances of heart attack or stroke. They also contain magnesium, which supports healthy blood circulation. A bowl of lentils a day could truly be heart-saving. Benefit number 3. Aids in weight loss. Trying to lose weight? Lentils can be your best friend. They're low in calories but high in fiber and protein, which keeps you feeling full. This helps reduce overeating and unhealthy snacking throughout the day. The fiber in lentils also boosts digestion and prevents constipation. They stabilize blood sugar, reducing cravings and energy crashes. Adding lentils to your diet can support steady, healthy weight loss. Benefit number 4. Supports digestive health. Lentils are packed with dietary fiber, especially soluble fiber. This helps regulate bowel movements and supports a healthy gut. By feeding beneficial gut bacteria, lentils improve digestion and nutrient absorption. They also help prevent constipation and reduce bloating naturally. A healthy digestive system strengthens your immunity and energy levels. Eating lentils regularly keeps your gut happy and balanced. Benefit number 5. Stabilizes blood sugar levels. Lentils have a low glycemic index, meaning they digest slowly. This prevents sudden spikes and drops in blood sugar levels. They're ideal for people with diabetes or insulin resistance. The fiber and protein slow carbohydrate absorption, keeping you energized longer. Regular consumption helps improve insulin sensitivity over time. Lentils make blood sugar management both healthy and delicious. Benefit number 6. Rich in iron and fights fatigue. Iron is essential for carrying oxygen in your blood, and lentils have plenty of it. This makes them a great food to fight tiredness and boost stamina. They're especially helpful for women, vegetarians, and people prone to anemia. Pair lentils with vitamin C-rich foods to enhance iron absorption naturally. The folate in lentils also supports red blood cell production. Feeling weak or low on energy? Lentils could be your natural fix. Benefit number 7. Great for skin health. Lentils are loaded with zinc, iron, and antioxidants that nourish your skin from within. They help repair damaged tissues and fight free radicals that cause aging. The protein in lentils supports collagen production, keeping your skin firm and youthful. B vitamins like folate improve blood flow and skin cell renewal. Regular intake can lead to a natural glow and clearer complexion. Lentils truly are beauty food for your skin. Benefit number 8. Strengthens bones and teeth. Lentils provide essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. These nutrients are vital for building and maintaining strong bones and teeth. Magnesium helps your body absorb calcium more effectively. Lentils also contain protein, which plays a key role in bone repair. Regular consumption may help prevent osteoporosis as you age. Strong bones start with nutrient-rich foods like lentils.
Benefit number 9. Boosts brain function.
Your brain needs fuel, and lentils offer the right kind. They're rich in folate and iron, which support oxygen flow and brain development. Folate also helps in producing neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine. These improve mood, focus, and memory. Lentils may even help reduce the risk of cognitive decline over time. For a sharper mind, make lentils a regular part of your meals.
Benefit number 10.
Supports a healthy pregnancy. Lentils are rich in folate, a crucial nutrient for pregnant women. Folate helps prevent birth defects in the baby's brain and spine. It also supports red blood cell formation and healthy fetal development. Iron in lentils helps combat pregnancy-related fatigue and anemia. They're a safe, natural, and nourishing food during pregnancy. Expecting mothers can benefit greatly from adding lentils to their meals. Benefit number 11. Strengthens the immune system. Lentils contain zinc, selenium, and antioxidants that boost immune function. These nutrients help your body fight off viruses, bacteria, and infections. Protein supports the production of immune cells and antibodies. The iron in lentils ensures oxygen reaches every part of your body efficiently. Eating lentils regularly can help reduce the frequency of common illnesses. A strong immune system starts with strong nutrition. Lentils deliver that. Benefit number 12. Good for the environment. Lentils don't just benefit your health, they help the planet too. They require little water to grow and enrich the soil with nitrogen naturally. This reduces the need for chemical fertilizers in farming. By eating lentils, you're supporting sustainable and eco-friendly food choices. They're a climate-smart protein with a low carbon footprint. Choosing lentils is a win for both your body and the earth. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to like channel to follow all new